Hello students, today we will discuss about chemistry laboratory. Chemistry laboratory is a place to perform experiments, observe chemical processes and to analyze results. Today we will discuss which facilities should be provided to perform experiments. Or every chemistry lab has special kinds of tables. Each table is fitted with a gas tap, a sink, a reagent shelf and a waste paper basket. And there is also a side shelf for keeping glassware apparatuses and a fume closet. Next is reagent shelf. All reagent circles should be properly kept on the shelf with labels on every bottle. There should be an exhaust fan near the roof of the wall to expel poisonous gases and fumes. Every chemistry lab has a separate room where a number of physical and chemical balances are kept for weighing chemicals. This room is kept dust-free and smoke-free for accurate measurements. Now we will discuss a few lab apparatuses which we use in chemistry laboratory. First one is the test tube. Test tube is thin glass tube with an open top and rounded U-shaped bottom made up of hard or Pyrex glass. It is used to conduct tests with small quantities of chemicals for heating purposes. Boiling tube is a special type of test tube which is made up of heat-resistant borosilicate glass. It is used for boiling some chemicals. Test tube holder. It is made up of metal with wooden handle. It is used for holding test tube while heating or picking up apparatuses. Test tube stand is a rack made of wood or plastic. It is used to keep test tube in an organized manner. Next is glass tube, which is a hollow tube made up of glass, which we also known as delivery tube. It is used to transfer fluid or gases from one vessel to another. Then glass rod is there, which is solid. It's a solid glass stick. It is used to stir chemical solution. Beaker is made up of glass and available in different sizes. Usually it is calibrated. It is used for preparation and keeping of solutions. Funnel is a cone-shaped apparatus. It has a stem at its narrow end and it is made up of glass or plastic also. It is used to filter and transfer liquids from one container to. Next is the conical flask. Conical flask is made up of borosilicate glass with narrow neck. Flask generally are of three types: conical, flat bottomed and round bottomed flask. Conical flask is made up of borosilicate glass with narrow neck. It is used to store and mixing of chemicals. Flat bottomed flask is made up of borosilicate glass. It is long, cylindrical neck and flat bottom. It is used for mixing and storing chemicals. Whereas round bottom flask is made up of borosilicate glass. It has spherical bottom and narrow cylindrical neck. It is used for heating solutions or liquids. Next is the Thistle funnel. It's a bulb-shaped reservoir with a stem and stopper. We use it to transfer liquids in a controlled manner. Next is the separating funnel, which is used to separate immiscible liquids. It is made up of glass. It has stopper at the top and stopcock at the bottom. It is used to separate two liquids of different densities. Next is the china dish. China dish is a shallow bowl made of porcelain. It is used to evaporate liquids. Watch glass is made up of glass and we use it for evaporating as an evaporating dish and also used to cover beakers. Next is mortar and pestle. It is made up of porcelain and it is used to ground and crush solid substances into powder. Iron stand is a combination of metal rod, iron clamps, and a heavy metal base. It is used to hold glass apparatuses like flask, funnel, etc. Tippet stand is a stand made of iron. It supports the apparatuses during experiments. Spirit lamp is a type of burner made of glass, brass, or steel. It contains a wick. We use spirit as a fuel and it is used to heat up substances. Next one is Bunsen burner. It consists of its base is made up of cast iron with the vertical tube. It is like gas is used as a fuel in Bunsen burner. It is used for heating purposes. Next one is the wire gauze, which is made of meshed iron wire and a thin asbestos sheet that is fixed at its center, and it is used to keep glass apparatuses on it while heating and for uniform distribution of heat. Reagent bottle is made up of white or colored glass. It is used for storing chemicals. Pipette is long and narrow glass tube. It is used to dispense a known volume of a liquid. Trough is made up of metal or glass. It is big and ball shape. It is used during collection of a gas. Behave shelf is a round piece of laboratory equipment, usually of pottery. It is used to support a gas jar while gas is collected over water. Gas jar is a kind of glass cylinder. It is used for collecting gases. Measuring cylinder is cylindrical glass apparatus which is graduated in milliliters, deciliters, and centiliters. It is used to measure the volume of liquid substances. Then the last one is burette, which is a cylinder form of cylinder made up of glass with volumetric graduation and a stopcock at the bottom. It is used to dispense an accurate amount of a liquid. I hope all the apparatuses are clear with you all.